Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of um, 17 June 2021. Here this is the problem: define class basic calculator. We have to create a class for this basic calculator. This is like we usually import some predefined function like from Java, import java.util.scanner, like that. We have to create our own package and we are going to run this problem. They have passed this certain inputs a and b. We just have to do the operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, integer division, float division, and also modulo division. Here this is the concept in this problem. Let's see in a programmatical way. Here this is the code they have already given. They have included this com.skidmark.basic calculator. So we just have to create a package basic calculator.java. This is because we just need a class name, the basic calculator. Check whether the spelling are correct, or we have to create a package with the command package com.skidmark, and then we need to import some certain function. Actually we don't need anything, we just have to create a methods public. They haven't created a object for these classes, so we just create a function with the keyword static. Then only we can access the methods without creating an object. Static integer addition, and they have passed two inputs, x and y. Return x plus y. That's it. Similarly we have to do the same operation for subtraction, multiplication, float division, integer division, and modulo. Subtraction, multiplication, it should be minus, here it should be asterisk. This is integer division, which is nothing but a slash. Here this is float division. For that we need to typecast this x as float of x, and this should be modulo. Here we need modulo operator. Make sure that you have used the same spelling they have mentioned there. After that we have to run this problem. First I have to save this program. I have saved this problem. I'm going to run this with the command javac -d dot basic calculator.java. From float to int. Okay, yeah, it's just because the return type is integer here, right? Float, we don't need to typecast here. Better we can use float here. or else you can use float here also. You can use int here. So if you do that, here it will create a package dot with the com. Inside SKIDMARK we will get the class basic calculator. So if we run this hello.java, it will create a hello class, and if we run this hello.class, we should get this kind of error because I am not good in Java. Okay, let me compile that. Java hello, and I'm running passing the input 1 and 2. Here this is the addition 3, subtraction -1, multiplication 1 2 are 2, division, floor division, and modulo. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here this is the code for your view. You don't have to do this much operations, you just have to fill this code in that blank space. That's it. When you can run, the backend compiler will take care of all those things. But I just showed these things because you just need to know about how to create a package, how to export it, and also how to import your user defined packages. That's it guys. Hope we will meet soon with tomorrow's DC. Until then, bye.